Hello and welcome back to my channel once again. Today in this video I'll tell you how to draw in grid method. So let's start. As you can see, for drawing I have changed the grid color. To draw this you have to see your picture very carefully. Now we have to start it from the upper side. We have to count the boxes like this. If you start from here, you have to count the boxes 1 2 3 4 5 6, and same as vertically you have to count, right? You can zoom it. As you can see, it is starting from the middle of the box. Now you start drawing. Now these are here and you have to draw it in second box, and you continue it with here. See very carefully each and every box. So this is the chain, sixth box and fourth row, sixth box and fourth row. And again it is continuing in ninth box. See, this is ninth, and 1 2 3 4 5 6. It will complete till here. You have to do same like that. Ninth box and sixth row. You can be very slow in the beginning when you are drawing in grid, but that's okay. It will take time to practice to draw in grid. From this technique, you have to draw whole picture, whole image, and these designs also. See very carefully each and every detail and draw it according to the boxes. You have to count the boxes horizontally and vertically both. That is why we have written the numbers on the upper side and the side of the paper. Once you practice, this technique will be very helpful for you to draw very difficult drawings. Now, focus on these details also. So you can see these here coming, they are till 8th box and 1 2 3 4 4th row. This is 4th row and 8th box. Now it is coming in 9th box and 3rd row. 9th box and 3rd row. Now it is till 10th. Tenth box and 3rd row. You have to see the boxes very carefully. You will be little slow in the beginning, but that's okay. Now this is 11th box and 1 2 3 4 4th row. It is still here. Same you have to measure again and again, and you have to carry on this method. You can draw this side also. First you have to check the row, like the shoulder is coming in 6th row and 8th box from this side. So you have to start the shoulder from 6th and 7th, right? Now this is in this box, 9th box and 8th and 8th, right? After practice, you will draw fast. Now this is 10th box and 9th and 8th. Count very carefully because little bit mistake can destroy your full drawing. So see it very carefully and draw very slowly and carefully. Same you have to do with drapery, jewelry, each and every little and small detail you have to cover, and by counting the boxes very carefully. Once you are able to do, you can find boxes very easily. We have to complete this part also. The hair in 7th box and will continue till 4th box. As you can see, this is continuing till 4th box. See in your original, right? Hope you have liked the video, and if you like, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are new on my channel, and press the bell icon for the notification of my next video, and I will make such type of very helpful videos for you on the art topics and art tutorials on my channel. Hope you have enjoyed the video, and maybe it will be very helpful for you to draw any drawing piece in grid method. If you have any queries, you can comment me in my comment section.